Hello again, this is G, and for AI for Pinoys, and this is going to be a how-to tutorial na lang on um, how to force, basically yakita niya sa screen, how to force AI to tell the truth or to stop or minimize hallucination. So, ano ba yung hallucination sa AI, no? So, kung madalas kayo gumagamit ng AI, uh, mapapansin niyo sometimes it invents things, no? It invents information like hindi yung kunyari asking it to do a research and some of the research na ginagawa nila hindi talaga uh, hindi tama or wala naman talagang nangyari na gano'n. So 'pag nagbibigay siya ng examples, hindi naman talaga totoo 'yun 'no. So, that's the reason why whenever I teach AI classes or, prompt engineering, I always tell them to ground the AI. So lahat naman ng mga AI tools may grounding component like si Gemini has a search grounding, si ChatGPT also has a similar feature when you do, you do research mode so that it will verify things. So it will look for it will go to the internet. It would go to different websites to verify the fact, no, or whatever topic that you're conversing. So here is just a quick tip now, but you can screenshot this na lang on how to prevent it. This is not a prompt, okay? Hindi siya prompt. This is just a system that you can you can use for yourself to be able to have the AI not hallucinate or at least like 99% of the time, no? Para mabawas-bawasan yung hallucination niya, no? Although nag-improve naman talaga yung AI ngayon to prevent that, but still, no? So first, and source constraint method. So that's the first strategy na pwedeng gawin. Multimodal cross verification. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na um, 'pag nag-query ka, so you can have different AI do the same thing, no? So for example, I use Gemini and Claude a lot, but binabangga ko lagi sila. So when Gemini gives me an output, I give it to Claude. Claude analyzes that output, and yung output na yun papasok ko rin sa kay Gemini. So you can do to ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, whatever LLM you're actually using. Again, you do structured prompting techniques. Halagay naman dyan may human verification protocol ka rin, may domain specific. Ako personally, I always use grounding nung search URLs and stuff to make sure na tama yung research or tama yung kino-quote niya or tama yung binibigay niya na information. Yan lang, quick tip ko lang sa inyo so you can screenshot this how to stop, have AI hallucinate. So, para lang makatulong sa inyo na whenever you produce information, tama siya. Hindi siya yung nag-iimbento. No? So, yun lang po. Have a good day.